Welcome to 83 Avenue, a place where you will find opulent shopping spaces, futuristic offices that makes work a pleasure, your indispensable retail heaven and a recreation wonderland. Oodle Skywalk and 83 Avenue is located in the hub of growth at Sector 83 NH8 Gurgaon. It is in the middle of everything and far from nothing. The project is in close proximity to Hotel Hyatt, JW Marriott, proposed ISBT, and also has an easy connectivity to Dwarka Expressway, Metro Corridor, International Airport and other strategic locations of the city. Spread over 6 acres of land, Oodle Skywalk and 83 Avenue is a place to experience gamut of activities like shopping, leisure, dining, exploring and relaxing. Planned and designed by the renowned architect Sanjeev Tandon Architects Private Limited, Oodle Skywalk and 83 Avenue's aesthetic layout is a visual treat. The perfect architectural design of Oodle Skywalk and 83 Avenue works like a magnet on every passerby. Its splendid and captivating looks coupled with its gigantic size makes the project one of the most admired pieces of modern architecture. The smart exterior of the buildings have been designed, keeping the environment in mind. The buildings, nothing less than a green masterpiece, is eco-friendly in nature. Offering plenty of features, it helps in saving you the plenty of green stuff through efficiently planned and created space. Tinkling water bodies and verdant green open spaces will help you to relax the body and mind and promote community well-being and a stress-free work environment. Come, take a walk here and feel the energy flowing right back into you. For life to be comfortable, a conveniently accessible shopping facility is a must. A well-designed retail area with a host of national and international brands will meet all your shopping needs within the complex. Fine dining, food courts, coffee shops, miniplex and wide open passages with flea market will make shopping a delightful experience. A spacious and welcoming reception area will be the first to greet all who enter. The clean and uncluttered lines of the internal areas serve to enhance the feeling of space and openness. The luxurious lobby will lead on to centrally air-conditioned designed workspaces, where work goes on efficiently and quietly. Our newly designed serviced apartments, already signed with international brands, is a prime example of the impressive changes in infrastructure today. Every inch of space has been crafted to give you that special feel, elegance and comfort that you have always deserved. Udal Skywalk and 83 Avenue will offer a world-class infrastructure. With state-of-the-art all the modern amenities like sky lounges, terrace gardens that help your business to grow. So come, be a part of Udal Skywalk and 83 Avenue experience. This is not just a business option or an investment. It's a commitment to yourself to aspire and achieve greater heights of personal and professional excellence. Come to Udal Skywalk and 83 Avenue, your gateway to a world of exciting opportunities.
For more information, contact ABC Buildcon Private Limited.